I'm free of pain. And after dealing with it for 54 years, it's like I've been reborn. I've come out of prison. I've gone to hell and back, and mind, body, and spirit. And now I'm a whole person again. And I found the old me that I kind of got used to there and liked. And my sense of humor has improved, and my attitude towards things have lightened up. And I enjoy smiling now more than ever before. And I'm just so grateful to have my life back, that it's very emotional, and I tear up easily when I talk about this. This is not easy because I remember it's so fresh in my mind, you know. But it's a wonderful thing to have your life back and to feel great again. Not just good again, not just normal again, but great. And you count your blessings, and I feel super and happy every day. I felt like I had a partner in dealing with my issue, and it took a lot of pressure, I guess is the simplest word, off of me, because I felt like I was finally in the hands of somebody that I could talk to, someone I could relate to, someone who was sensitive enough to understand my not only my physical issues but my emotional issues as well. And it was, as I said before, a real, genuine blessing for me. I don't know how you do it. It's a gift you have. And I recognize it, and I'm sure your other patients do too. And that gives not only great comfort, but it also strengthens your own, helped me strengthen my resolve, because I felt I was working with somebody who cared about me as an individual. I wouldn't say there was an immediate recognition of the diminishment of pain. But within a week, I knew that something was going on, because I was able to recognize certain motions that I did that didn't have the pain associated with them, bodily motions. And within a month, there was a huge difference. And within 3 months, I had no pain. 54 years. I had no pain. I wasn't even taking Tylenol. I didn't need any help at all to get through the day. And it was hard for me to accept. It was a shock to my mind, to my soul, to every fiber of my body. It was a huge, I couldn't believe it. It was almost frightening in a way, because it was so much of a change. Going to bed at night and not being in pain, and wake up in the morning and not being in pain, and then noticing during the course of the day not having pain doing things, and being able to step up your life slowly but surely, and getting back into the groove of things, and pushing yourself a little bit, actually challenging yourself to do a little bit more every day to see how far this thing has progressed, and how effective it is, and whether this thing is just a one-off, or whether it's going to hang around. And it's been a year and a half, and we're still there. Yes, it's unbelievable. You can't make this stuff up. You can't invent this stuff. I don't get it. I don't know what you did, or how you did it, or what happened, or how this whole thing happened, but it happened. And all I can tell you is that that it's all about the results. Not how you did it, but that you did it. And sharing that with others. How is this possible? This guy over here hasn't been able to move his ass off a chair for 54 years, and all of a sudden he beats me to the corner. How is he able to do this? He's got a smile on his face. Nobody's seen me with a smile on my face for so long. They forget. Sure, I've got a smile on my face when I'm half crocked with the medications. Anybody can do that. But hey, I'm doing this without any meds, pal. Look at me. Your sense of humor comes back. Life is good again. It's a joy to be alive. And I wish this for everybody. This is all I want. Whatever is left of my life, I want to share this with anybody who's willing to listen, because it can happen. And I would tell them, don't be afraid. Keep an open mind and keep smiling, because there's hope. And I'm the best example of it that you'll find, considering what I've gone through.